Are you looking for a quick, straightforward way to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp that actually works for you? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have your own CRM fully set up and ready to help you organize your contacts, deals, and follow-ups more efficiently than ever. Let's dive right in and get your CRM up and running. The first thing you want to do when you're on the ClickUp home screen is to head over to your project area. If you haven't used this feature much before, don't worry, your projects are listed on the left-hand sidebar or wherever you keep your main workspace. Hover your mouse over the project where you'd like your CRM to live. You'll notice some little icons appear. Look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options or Settings menu. This is your gateway to customizing your project beyond the basics. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A menu will pop up with lots of choices, but what we're looking for today is the template option. Templates in ClickUp are pre-built setups that save you tons of time. Imagine them as starter kits for different types of projects or workflows, like launching a campaign or, in our case, setting up a CRM. Select Template. Now you'll see a button or a link to Browse Templates. Give that a click. This will bring up a searchable gallery packed with all kinds of templates that other users or the ClickUp team have designed to make your life easier. In the search bar, simply type CRM. Don't be surprised if a few choices pop up. ClickUp wants to offer flexibility depending on your business style, whether you're tracking leads, customers, or even deals. Take a moment to look over the CRM templates that appear. Hover over each one to get a quick preview or click in for a deeper look. If you're unsure which to pick, you might want to choose the one that looks closest to how you like to track your contacts. For instance, some may have lead pipelines, others might be heavy on custom fields. Pick one that feels like it would work for you, then click Use Template. At this point, you'll be asked to name your CRM. Don't rush this. Giving your CRM a clear name now makes it much easier to find and helps your teammates know what it's for. Something simple like Sales CRM or Client Tracker is a great start. You also have the option to customize some details before applying the template. This could mean adjusting the statuses, adding or removing certain fields, or tailoring it to match your exact workflow. A little customization now saves a headache later, especially if you know there's a field you'll never use or one you absolutely need. Once you're happy with how the template looks and the name you've chosen, click Use Template again. This will create your new CRM section inside ClickUp, complete with all the features and fields from the template you selected. Now's a good time to review what's been created. Notice how the template gives you different lists, views, and places for contact details, deal stages, interactions, and more. Remember, you can always rename your CRM or edit its structure as you use it. Don't be afraid to tweak things. ClickUp is very flexible and your needs might change over time. Maybe you'll want to add a custom field for last contact date or color code your leads. And just like that, you've set up a simple, effective CRM in ClickUp. You're ready to start adding contacts, tracking workflows, and staying organized. If anything feels confusing, don't worry. You can always come back and adjust settings as you get more comfortable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It helps other people discover the video. And if you have any questions, maybe there's a step you're wondering about, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and effective ClickUp guides like this. Happy organizing!